The skills section of your resume can make a huge difference during the job search. No matter what kind of experience you have, we'll guide you through the do's and don'ts of an effective skills section. First, don't include obsolete or irrelevant skills. Obsolete skills make your resume look out of date, and while you may have valuable experience from other parts of your career, you should only include skills related to the job you're pursuing. Next, list your most relevant skills first. Make each entry brief and specific, but feel free to include as many relevant entries as you need. When it comes to character traits, don't list them as skills. Although qualities like hardworking and dedicated are positive, simply listing them won't win over hiring managers. Instead, show these traits through the tasks and achievements of your work experience. Organize your skills to keep things readable. Group related entries together, such as your computer skills, language skills, and so on. You can simply list them, or if you have several skills of the same type, you can organize them into categories. Don't include anything personal, religious, or political. Personal skills are typically unnecessary and unrelated to your job search. In the US, religious or politically related skills are generally not included, but this can vary from country to country. Take the time to optimize the skills section, and it will hopefully be a highlight of your resume.
Goodwill Community Foundation, creating opportunities for a better life.